This is the installation of a better battery on your KLX 300. It would be dirt and street. I know this is 2020 to 2025. Most likely older models as well. We're going to replace it with a much better battery than the stockpile of crap. It's smaller than the stockpile of crap. So all you have to do is you have 3 bolts on your side panels. They come off with an 8mm socket. Your battery is right here. I've taken the stock one out. Obviously, this new one is 5 pounds lighter, much more powerful, but it's also smaller at the same time. So we need to take up a little space right here with this battery that we sell. You get these rubber pieces that go with it, or foam pieces. They'll take up space. That will perfectly take up space for the battery here. The rest of it's very simple. If you want to bolt on top right here, that's more than fine. You have these lugs on top. If you take these screws out, these lugs come off. If you want to bolt on the side, that's fine as well. Positive on first, then put your negative on. It's as simple as that. More power, no failure, easy fix. Okay, thanks for watching. You get that at thebestdualsparkbikes.com.